Hey, good afternoon, gang. Want to get a quick start. This is the first week, and want to quickly go over some of the assignments I've got for this week, and hopefully it'll kind of give you an idea of the pacing that we need to be on. So, because I don't know if you guys are full-time students, full-time job, full-time student, part-time job, blah, blah, blah. So hopefully this will kind of be a decent pace and not really cause you a lot of stress. And so if you get stressed, take a deep breath and we'll figure it out together. So here's what we got to get accomplished this week. You've got reading assignments, chapters 1 and 2. So if you want to kind of see the highlights, what the author of the book thought was important, you got the PowerPoint presentation, right? So, and then we got a video. Should your narrative be in your pre-sentence investigation report? So this is actually, I really enjoyed this video. It has got in there a federal judge who's giving a defense attorney what he believes is really important to have in that report, so that way he can make a meaningful judgment and in sentencing. And so what I found probably the most peculiar and interesting and good was there, and it's almost at the very beginning of the video, and he talks about the humanization of the report, because a lot of times when they're doing the sentencing, it is going through just it is a very dehumanizing process, which is a very true statement. And so he's trying to bring in what the offender and the defender is, where he is in the process of understanding and being remorseful regarding his offense. So take some time, look at that. It will probably help you in the discussion board as well. So then you've also got what are the 5 sentence objectives, pretty good article. And then you've got the discussion board. So you actually got 2 discussion boards this week, one graded, one not graded. But I really want you to take a little bit of time on that non-graded, because it's telling me where you're coming from, because I really want to understand who we've got in the class. Do we have some CJ people who are in the field, CJ people who want to be in the field, or just some people who are getting an idea of whether they want to be in CJ? So it really helps me as an instructor to kind of get an idea of where you're coming from, and so that I can help you in getting from point A to point at least B or C in this process. So, and then you're going to have the discussion board, which the one that is graded. And I told you in the rubric what you needed to be looking for, what you need to be thinking about. And this week, the prompt is, how does the society of the United States view the prison aspect of the correction system? So as you're going to see, there are many different pieces of the puzzle of the corrections, all the way from law enforcement to pretrial release, which is doesn't have to do with probation, but pretrial sentencing. It's that pretrial component is really because housing. We're the largest inmate population in the world, and so obviously there's something in there that's probably wrong. And at some point, hopefully we get a chance to talk about it and figure out, hey, maybe you have some ideas from a Christian world perspective of how can this be made better. Also, so that's the part, do those perceptions differ from reality? Are convicted offenders being corrected as they travel through the criminal justice system? So, and the last part is, what role does a biblical worldview play in our corrections component? And so let's just assume that for argument's sake, does it still? Because I know at some point you're going to see in your reading that it played a part. What part did it play? Is it still a component of it? And so if it isn't, should it be? what is it? Why is it important? So yes, so those are the things that we need to do. So you're going to have all that to do from today to Wednesday to post your first initial postings, and then from Wednesday to Sunday to do your responses. The thing is you're probably going to find some people who are early adopters who have gone ahead and are going to be done tonight with the posting, their first initial posting. So you could probably even knock out one or two of your initial responses. And don't, again, like I said, don't go in there and just jam something out, saying, whatever comes to mind. If you do have an argument, and when I say argument, it's not argumentation just means this, is that, if the logic of the statement or the argument that the person's making, it doesn't hold, and you've got a different side that you can propose that to that argument, then that's what I'm talking about, argumentation right there, right? So a logical A plus B equals C, and if somebody doesn't get to A plus B equals C, then be able to, let's talk about those things, point them out, so that way we can make strong argumentation, because we want to be able to articulate the ideas that we're thinking. So there's going to be a lot of stuff for you to get done this week, and if there's anything I can do, please reach out to me so I can help you. And if I find that there are some commonalities and questions that are being asked, then what I will do is, based on that, I will put together a video that will help to explain some things, and we can kind of work through those and be able to discuss them in an open forum. And I'll post that in a sidebar discussion board. And I want you guys to learn as much as you can in a short period of time as we've got, and really be able to be very effective over the next 8 weeks. All right, good luck. Let me know if I can help you.